Welcome back to Classic Cars Cheap, home of classic hot rods. Old school style, powerful engines, and true custom culture. Enjoy the ride. Number 1. The 1932 Ford 3-window coupe, priced at $42,500. As described in the listing, this 1932 Ford is a professionally built hot rod showing just 1,000 miles since completion. Power comes from a built 425 Buick Nailhead engine equipped with a magneto ignition and paired to a T5 5-speed manual transmission. The car features a high-quality Gibbons body with a steel hood and steel grille shell, and is built on a Pete and Jake's chassis. A chrome front suspension adds classic hot rod flash, while Ford 9-inch rear end with 3.70 gears puts the power to the pavement. Finished in blue over an off-white interior, the seller describes this coupe as a super nice, professionally executed build that runs and drives great. Offered at $42,500 or best offer, clean title. Located in Monroe, Georgia. Number 2. The 1935 Plymouth PJ Deluxe, priced at $18,000. As listed, this 35 Plymouth Rat Rod comes powered by a freshly machined 355 small block engine topped with a tunnel ram intake and dual 4-barrel carburetors. The engine breathes through C2 Corvette headers feeding 4 inches side pipes equipped with 12 inches baffles. A new clutch connects the V8 to a Saginaw 4-speed manual transmission, with power sent to a Chrysler rear differential fitted with a panhard bar. The chassis has been upgraded with a boxed front frame section, rack and pinion steering, and adjustable coilover shocks up front. The seller notes that the original factory hood is included with the sale. Clean title. Located in Newton, North Carolina. Number 3. The 1934 Ford pickup, priced at $28,500. According to the listing, this 34 pickup is an all-steel, traditionally built street rod powered by an old-school 401 Buick Nailhead V8. The engine setup features Stromberg 97 carburetors and has recently received a valve job with new valves, springs, and rockers, along with fresh spark plugs, an oil change, and a new filter. Power is sent through a 700R4 automatic transmission to a Ford 9-inch rear end with 3.70 positive traction gears and 31 spline axles. The vehicle sits on a custom-built frame and has been chopped approximately 3.5 inches and channeled 4 inches. Additional upgrades include a torque starter, Willwood master cylinder, new wheel bearings, brake pads, and new universal joints. Finished in brown over a black interior, the pickup is described as cleanly sorted and offered with a clean title. Located in Santa Cruz, California. Number 4. The 1930 Ford 5-window coupe, priced at $29,500. As noted by the seller, this 30 Ford features an all-steel body and a unique custom build centered around a rear-mounted V6 engine. The drivetrain is sourced from a 1991 Chevy Citation and is paired with an automatic transmission, delivering an unconventional but reportedly fun and easy-to-drive setup. Power is sent through a fully independent suspension at all 4 corners. The car is equipped with air conditioning and heat, and entertainment is handled by a CD stereo system. The interior is fully trimmed in tan leather, complementing the brown exterior paint. With approximately 43,000 miles shown, the coupe is described as running well and enjoyable to drive. It is offered with a clean title. Located in Sanger, Texas. Number 5. The 1934 Ford 3-window coupe, priced at $89,000. As listed, this 34 Ford is a high-performance hot rod with a rich history. Power comes from a 468 big block engine featuring a 671 supercharger and dual 750 Holley carburetors, sending the car down the quarter mile in 8.60 seconds at 160 miles per hour on alcohol. The engine breathes through zoomy headers, is managed by an MSD ignition, and is paired with a built turbo 350 automatic with a 3,500 revolutions per minute stall. As noted, A 4.11 rear-end gear and B&M Pro stick shifter provide excellent acceleration control. The suspension features an aluminum I-beam front axle with disc brakes and Mickey Thompson Sportsman 26 by 7.5 by 15 tires on Weld Racing wheels. The rear sports a polished winner's quick-change rear end with fully adjustable coilovers, drum brakes, and 32 by 7 by 15 Mickey Thompson ET street tires, also on Weld Racing wheels. Originally built by Kyle Bond of Gibbon Fiberglass Reproductions, this coupe has a Gibbon fiberglass body with a 4 inches chopped top, custom-built frame, roll cage, suicide doors, and show-quality custom paint and flames. It was raced nationally for 7 years at Goodyear's VRA Nostalgia events and was featured on the cover of Super Rod magazine, October 2000, and in Street Rodder, November 2000. The interior is leather-trimmed, spacious, and comfortable, with power windows, seat belts, and synthetic leather upgrades to accommodate a taller driver, while retaining most of the original leather. Clean title in hand. Located in Fairfield, California. Number 6. 1933 Plymouth 5-window, 2D coupe, steel body. Price, $59,999. Mileage, 16,000 miles. Location, Livingston, New Jersey. This 1933 Plymouth 5-window 2D coupe is a beautifully executed custom steel hot rod that delivers rare pre-war style with dependable modern performance. Finished in a bold, deep purple exterior and paired with a clean gray interior, this coupe has undeniable presence and a show-quality look that stands out without being overdone. The all-steel body gives it a solid, authentic feel that serious enthusiasts appreciate, while the custom build ensures it's meant to be driven and enjoyed. Under the hood sits a strong 355 cubic inch engine matched to a smooth 3-speed turbo automatic transmission, providing reliable power, crisp throttle response, and effortless cruising. With 16,000 miles, a clean title, and paid-off ownership, this Plymouth is road-ready, well-sorted, and proven. Whether you're heading to car shows, weekend cruises, or adding a unique piece to your collection, this 1933 Plymouth Coupe offers classic craftsmanship, modern drivability, and timeless hot rod character, all in one exceptional package. Number 7. 1929 Ford Model A Tudor. Price, $27,000. Location, Jefferson, South Carolina. This 1929 Ford Model A Tudor is a tastefully built hot rod that blends classic Model A character with well-executed custom modifications. The car was reworked during previous ownership and presents as a clean, sorted driver with strong visual appeal and a traditional hot rod stance. One of the standout features is the professionally done 4-inch roof chop, which gives the Tudor a lower, sleeker profile while still maintaining excellent proportions and drivability. The vehicle carries a clean title, is fully paid off, and is reported to have no significant damage or mechanical issues. Overall, this Model A Tudor represents a great opportunity to own a nicely modified turnkey hot rod that offers classic style, modern usability, and strong curb appeal at a reasonable price point. Ideal for cruise nights, local shows, or simply enjoying a traditional Ford hot rod without the hassle of a fresh build. Number 8. The 1930 Ford Tudor, priced at $22,000. Heat. According to the listing, this 30 Tudor is built in true rat rod fashion, emphasizing attitude and performance. Power comes from a small block 327 engine, paired with a 700 R4 automatic transmission. An air ride setup on the rear allows for adjustable stance. The seller notes the car is very fast and a lot of fun to drive. Finished in burgundy, offered with a clean title. Located in Wildwood, Missouri. Number 9. 1935 Ford pickup, offered at $23,000. As listed, this 35 Ford pickup comes equipped with a 350 engine paired with a TH350 3-speed automatic transmission and an 8.8-inch Ford rear axle. The cab has been chopped, and the body sports a green over white paint scheme with custom pinstriping and a mural on the tailgate. Performance enhancements include dual Holley carburetors on an Edelbrock tunnel ram intake manifold, open exhaust headers, an aluminum radiator, disc brakes, and adjustable rear coilovers. The bed floor is polished wood for added detail, and the suspension is lowered with hairpin radius rods up front and adjustable coilovers in the rear. Staggered 5-spoke wheels wear Goodyear Assurance tires up front and 31 by 10.5 Corsa all-terrain tires in the rear. Inside features include a green-painted dashboard from a 1950s Pontiac, a gray leather bench seat, color-matched door panels, carpet, reflective ceiling insulation, and a hidden stereo with auxiliary inputs. The door glass has been removed, and minor corrosion is noted in the floor pans. Driven approximately 22,000 miles since build, the truck runs and drives as good as it looks. Offered at $23,000 OBO. Located in Wimberley, Texas. Number 10. The 1932 Ford 3-window coupe, priced at $39,000. Heat. As described in the listing, this 32 Ford is powered by a 283 engine with a triple deuce carburetor setup, paired with a TH350 automatic transmission. The drivetrain is backed by a Ford 9-inch rear end with a 4-bar coilover suspension. The car is equipped with vintage air conditioning, power windows, power locks, and a power trunk. Rolling stock includes Craigar wheels wrapped in massive Mickey Thompson 29 by 15 rear tires. The seller states the car runs and drives exactly as it should, with the interior described as being in perfect condition and 9,399 miles driven. Presented as a great summertime runner. Trades considered specifically for a 1955 or 1956 Chevrolet Bel Air. Located in Martin, Ohio. Number 11. The 1929 Ford Model Tudor, listed at $24,000. As described in the listing, this 29 Tudor comes equipped with a 59 AB flathead engine, paired with a T5 transmission. The engine uses Stromberg triple carburetors with a Stromberg electronic ignition. As noted by the seller, a spare motor and numerous additional parts are included. The vehicle lacks side glass for the doors, but is otherwise fully operational, running and driving very well. The seller notes it is a head-turner, but is selling due to limited driving time. Trades are limited to newer 3/4-ton trucks, 2020 or newer, with cash adjustments considered for the right deal. An enclosed trailer can be included for an additional price as a package deal. Located in Manchester, New Hampshire. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and turn on notifications. Number 12. 1988 Chevrolet Monte Carlo LS Coupe. Price, $6,000. Mileage, 200,000 miles. Location, Fort Worth, Texas. A classic G-body platform with plenty of potential. This 1988 Monte Carlo LS is offered as a rolling project for the right buyer. Finished in blue with a black interior, it retains the clean, timeless lines that made these cars favorites among builders. Equipped with an automatic transmission and paid off with title in hand, it is a solid starting point for a street build, sleeper, or long-term restoration. With many photos available and room for customization, this Monte Carlo offers a budget-friendly entry into classic Chevy ownership. Number 13. 1928 Ford Peyton. Price, $27,000. Mileage, 7,000 miles. Location, Reno, Nevada. Heat up here. Here's a rare chance to own a fully finished 1928 Ford Peyton hot rod at just a fraction of the typical build cost. Roughly 1/3 of what it would take to create this car from scratch. Featuring a sleek black exterior paired with a tan interior, it perfectly blends classic 1920 styling with modern drivability. Equipped with an automatic transmission, this Peyton offers a smooth, comfortable ride that's ideal for cruising, car shows, or weekend drives. With only 7,000 miles, a clean title, and no significant issues, it's in excellent condition and ready to hit the road immediately. This car provides the perfect combination of vintage charm, reliability, and turnkey convenience, making it an ideal pick for collectors or enthusiasts seeking a beautiful hot rod without the hassle of a full build. Number 14. It's not a game. It's a red 1932 Ford 3-window coupe. Price, $75,000. Mileage, 2,864 miles. Location, Fair, Virginia. This 1932 Ford 3-window coupe is a standout, purpose-built show car that perfectly blends classic hot rod heritage with meticulous craftsmanship. Finished in a striking blue exterior, paired with a clean white interior, this coupe has unmistakable curb appeal and a presence that commands attention. Whether it's on the show field or being unloaded from the trailer, with just 2,864 miles since completion, it's clear this car has lived a pampered life, carefully preserved and tailored to maintain its exceptional condition. The build quality reflects thoughtful planning and execution, making it far more than just a visual statement. It's a cohesive, well-sorted hot rod. The seller notes that this car was built as a show car. From the classic proportions of the iconic three-window body to the refined interior and overall presentation, this Ford delivers both nostalgia and sophistication. Our goal is just 1,000 subscribers. If you enjoy our content, we would be truly grateful if you subscribed and supported us by encouraging more videos. Thank you. Number 15, 1929 Ford T-Bucket Custom. Price, $9,500. Location, Houston, Texas. This 1929 Ford T-Bucket is a custom-built hot rod that combines classic styling with modern performance. Finished in bright yellow with a black interior, it's designed to turn heads while offering a fun, engaging driving experience. Despite being nearly a century old in design, it has only 9,190 miles, making it essentially a lightly used build rather than a high-mileage project. Power comes from a 350 Ci high-performance engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering strong, reliable performance for cruising or weekend drives. The vehicle is fully operational with all systems in working order, ensuring that it's ready to enjoy immediately. Its lightweight, open-air design gives it the classic T-Bucket look and feel, perfect for car shows, parades, or casual rides. Important note, this T-Bucket is sold without a title, which may affect registration depending on your state. Serious buyers should factor this into their decision. Summary: a low-mileage, bright yellow 1929 Ford T-Bucket with a 350 high-performance engine, automatic transmission, clean, functional, and visually striking. Priced at $9,500. Sold as is without a title. Ideal for enthusiasts looking for a ready-to-drive, classic hot rod.